What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Hong Kong style onion sauce. Tomato sauce, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, evaporated milk, chicken stock, water, tomato, onion, minced garlic, black pepper. Slice the onion and tomato. To make the roux we need butter, flour, flour in, stir it well until it's thickened. Heat up the wok, oil in, onion in, garlic in. Stir fry it. Add some salt. Add some pepper. Got a hole in the middle. Tomato paste in. Fry the tomato paste. Tomato in. Water in. Chicken stock in. Stir it nicely. Cover it. After 10 minutes, put Worcestershire sauce in. Tomato sauce in. Sugar in, evaporated milk in, and see the magic color. Add the roux in, stir it well, and it will become thickened. Comment and let me know what you want next. See ya.